Based on the more than 20 years of development experience of the company's technical team, GLZON is actively participating in and promoting the fourth industrial revolution in all walks of life in my country, and writing the future of digital industrial automation in the industry. With the rapid development of Industry 4.0 around the world, GLZON is willing to work with you to develop and create win-win situations. We integrate knowledge, constantly break through ourselves, and innovate to help China manufacturing in 2025. Our liquid filling machines guarantee the maximum productivity of processes, prioritizing the safety of employees and offering post-sales technical support with great added value. Through the years, we have introduced the innovative smart filling concept. This concept, which incorporates the latest technologies available at once for achieving high levels of productivity with great accuracy and precision. This function allows us to adapt to different types of products: chemical, petrochemical, agrochemical, food, containers, and environments. We are specialized in creating liquid filling systems for containers from 1 to 1,500 liters. Discover our range of liquid fillers. We can offer you basic to fully automated filling systems. Today, our customer-focused approach will be on project proposal/management/execution and after-sales support. Our service supporter committee, widely recognized, and thus build up our good reputation. We are taking more determined steps